Let's solve this question on the board. The question says if 4 raised to power n is equals to 10 raised to power 0 is equals to 65, what is the value of n? So first of all, what I'm going to do is how to do with this 10 raised to power 0. Remember that what 0 law of indices state that any number raised to power 0 is 1 except 0 raised to power 0. The first thing we say that what 10 raised to power 0 is 1. So we're going to say for 4 raised to power n plus 1 is equals to what? 65. The next thing I'm going to do, since there is plus, I'm going to subtract minus 1 from both sides. And how 4 raised to power n plus 1 minus 1 is equals to what? 65 minus 1. And 4 raised to power n now plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. And here will give me what? 64. Then I'll now have what? 4 raised to power n is equals to 64. I can rewrite 64 as what? 4 times 4, 16, and 16 times 4 will give me what? 64. So I'll replace 64 with what? 4 raised to power what? N is equals to what? 4 raised to power 3 because 1, 2, 3. Now, since the base are the same, we equate the power. Our n is equals to 3. Thank you.